Hello. This is Steve. See you later, alligators. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where today I am playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive. We're going to go into a Danger Zone black site, which I honestly think is awesome. It's an autofill squad, as you can see right here, so yeah. Let's do this thing. Anyway, so when it actually gets into it, I'll be able to play. Anyway, I'm also just a private guy. Private 2, I think. Well, I've gone there before. Anyway, so this is basically like... Sorry, this is basically like... You go into a world, you find stuff, and then you shoot people. You kill them, and there's blood. So any kids that are watching this, please, I'm scared. I'm gonna cancel the search and end now. Okay, anyway guys, I think I'm gonna pause the video until I get into a game. See, alright guys, I'm back. It's loading right now. Yeah, so this is what it is. It's black site danger zone. Choose your starting location. Find or purchase equipment. Gather intel from your tablet. Yeah, we're pretty rich. We have tablets. Avoid the expanding danger zone, which can be anywhere, guys. Just so you know, be the last player standing to win. And now, soon it will begin, and I will be the boss! Okay, come on, come on. So close to loading, if you can see it, guys. I don't know if you can see the load. What am I kidding? Of course you can see it. You can't see my face, though. Because I'm playing on my computer and there's no camera. Anyway, here I am, guys. And my teammate is right over there. Whoa! Whoa, careful, dude. Run! Run! Watch out. Okay. Okay. It just says enemy. Also, guys, this is just a warm-up, just so you know. I died. I feel amazing. Let's go. Oh, I hit him. I didn't kill him, sadly. Anyway, that was just the warm-up. Right now, we are going to... No, I can't. Let's go to the tourist. I'm a tourist, guys. Anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go, guys. That's where we are. Right there. Anyway. Let's see. Where do I want to land? Oh! Ammo! I don't need ammo yet, though. No, what? Seriously? Alright, let's go. Just so you guys know, I cannot really sprint that well. Oh yeah, duh. Damage. Knife. Ooh, that's nice. Well, other than guns. Guns would be nicer, but hey. I have a knife. That'll be good for me right now. Alright, 3. Oh, dude. It's a safe. Ooh. Wait, do I have a... Is there a lock-picking kit? I think so. The first wave of missiles are about to be fired. Alright. Wait, can I break down the door? Oh. Ooh, dude, I just realized how to do big punch. Ouch. That probably hurt. I don't know, because I can feel it. This is bad. Okay, fine. Let's see. No, I already have a knife. Armor. 5-7. Okay. My drones are coming. I just need to wait for them. There they are. Drones, me pretties. Drop. Drop it now. Ow. Whoa. I almost had... That's someone else's drone. There's a drone right there. There's a person. Dude. Oh, lag. Dang it. Why did I shoot? Alright, I'm good to go for right now. Six enemies remaining, guys. That's pretty good. Four enemies? Noise. Breach charge. No. Oh no. Dude, come on! That's annoying. Look at this. My kills. Anyway, don't look at the name tag, please. Oh, and I hurt him. Anyway, play again. I was 4th place, dude. Seriously. Accept. 9 out of 17. 11 out of 7. 13. Excuse me. The out. Okay, I'm not gonna read that. Anyway, this is pretty nice. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. I will see you all later. See you then. See ya. Alright guys, I'm back. It wasn't that long actually. Ooh. Okay. I don't have 100. Dude, how much health did he have? Don't show me. Alright, hopefully this guy's good. Seriously. Better be pretty good. Otherwise, you get murderous. Well, I already am getting murderous, so. Whoa. Hey, not fair! Come on, really? Three, two, one. Match is starting. Wait, what? Okay, guys. Just wait. Alright, guys, I'm back and I'm playing Deathmatch. You know what? Actually, before this video ends, I'm thinking about getting. Yeah, see, this is basically what it is. Right now, I'm a terrorist. Ouch! Okay, so it was basically a bot. That's actually kind of sad. Why am I? Oh yeah, duh. Ouch. Okay, come on. I need to really watch my map. It's on the top, just so you guys know. Yes, I love this gun. 5-7. Dang it. Wait, actually, a knife. Okay, I have seen my brother do this before. Dang it. Oh gosh! Woo. I almost died there. Dude, 2 health left. Not a very good sign. I have no idea how to gain health. Except for dying, of course. Ah! Come on! That's annoying. Oh, dude, perfect. Snipey. Dude, there's someone here. Dude, someone... That nasty person made this bloody. No! Ah, come on! Stupid! Come on. Whoa. Did I see a cop there? Nope. Obviously not. How did that guy get up there? AK-47, let's go. I'm moving slowly. Two kills in a row, baby. Die, stupid chicken. Chickens are supposed to go back. Not let me live, let me live. Oh, hello. Dang! Stupid bots.